The magnets are so strong, it's sticking to my belt. The light is insane. Would I take the softbox to a wedding? When I started this video, I probably would have said, hi, my name is Toni, and in today's video, I'm going to be using the Magmod Pro 42 Octa for the very first time on a real shoot. Very excited to use this softbox. As we all know, the larger the light source, the softer the light, which means that this is going to be perfect for portraits of my lovely friend Demi. I absolutely love using the Magmod products. They're so simple, easy, effective, and it really makes like endless creative opportunities within photography, as you'll see from some of my favorite photographs here using the Magmod products. So before I pop this out of the bag and show you how fast and easy and simple it is to use, I'm going to show you the all new Mag Shoe 2, which is the upgraded version of the Mag Shoe, which is a stronger Mag Shoe to support these larger new softboxes. I'm just going to pop that on my light stand just here. And then also this is the mag ring. So if you have the previous soft boxes from Magmod, you'll already know all about the mag ring that just slides onto the mag shoe and locks into position. Now the great thing about the mag ring is that you can just open these compartment doors, and if your flashes will quite obviously have the mag grips on, they just hold on there with a magnet, and then you close the door and this is as safe as houses. And then the mag shoe gives you complete stability with the mag ring. So let's get the softbox out. The magnets are so strong, it's sticking to my belt. Very excited to get this out. As I've said already, the larger the light source, the softer the light, which is going to be perfect for tonight's shoot. And it's up already. I mean, how easy and simple is that? So I'm going to pop that straight onto here. And it just clicks into place with a magnet. I mean, I don't think I've ever put a softbox up as fast. You have all the little poles sticking out everywhere. And another brilliant feature of this MagBox is that it's got an all new and improved outer shell material, which means that it's a lot more durable and it's completely rip proof, but we're not going to be testing that out. So let's move back round to this all new diffusion panel, which is actually kept in a little pocket in the inner shell. So it's fully integrated into the MagBox, which is absolutely brilliant. And there you have it. The MagBox is up. Another great feature of this particular softbox and the other new softboxes from Magmod is the new grids. Great thing about the grid is that it's completely magnetic and it just fits straight onto here with all the magnets, which is absolutely brilliant. Now the great thing about a grid is they control the spill of the light. Probably not something that I'm going to need outside, but if I was using this indoors, really great feature to really control the spill of the light. And what's more, they come off equally as fast. And also, as with the previous soft boxes, we can insert gels if we wanted to. Let's turn this round. With this handy little pocket at the bottom here, we can just zip that open and pop a gel on the mag ring there and zip it back up, and we are good to go. So tonight's shoot, we're actually in the Ribble Valley in Lancashire, which is actually my hometown. It's very, very beautiful. So I'll just quickly strip this down for you. We'll go ahead and meet Demi and see how we get on with the MagBox on tonight's shoot. Okay, so we are now back with our lovely model Demi, who is hiding behind the giant MagBox Pro 42 Octa. At the minute I've got the Octa box about a metre from Demi, because the closer the light source, the softer that light is. We're going to start off there. I'm going to lift it up a little bit. That's so that the light is more flattering, and it's just going to be pointing slightly down towards Demi. Again, with the mag shoe, that just makes that whole process so much easier. there, and it's currently just feathering across Demi's face, just asking Demi to turn her body away from the light and looking back towards it, just because this is the most flattering angle. What I should say now is that I am shooting on the Canon 5D Mark III with the 85mm 1.2 lens. I have the Godox X2T trigger on my camera, and I also have the Godox AD200 in there because I want to shoot on high-speed sync this evening. Before we turn the flash on, I'm going to get some ambient settings because the flash is going to be lighting Demi up. The settings are basically going to be the ambient, and the flash is going to add into that. Currently shooting on ISO 200. My aperture is at 2.8 because I'm shooting a portrait. I want that lovely depth of field in the image. To counteract all of that, my shutter is 3200, and this is the test shot that we're getting with the ambient light. We've got enough there in the background to really just add to it now with the MagBox. So as I said, the MagBox currently is probably just over a metre away from Demi. We'll just turn that on and we'll put that to an 8th power to start off with. So Demi's going to be looking back up towards the softbox for me. Beautiful, Demi. Wow. The light is insane coming out of there. That is a little bit too bright. So I'm just going to turn that down to a 16th power. Wow. Honestly, the quality of the light coming out of that is absolute madness. And we'll go again. So we're now on a 16th flash power. Beautiful, Demi. Just looking back up towards it. Lovely. Wow, guys. Honestly, the light coming out of that is absolutely magical. It's like instant skin smoothing. And what I'm actually going to do is move this even closer to really make the most out of this beautiful softbox. In doing so, I need to make sure that I've not got the softbox in the frame. So I've gone a little bit closer now, probably about 75 centimeters away at the moment. And again, I'm just making sure that the softbox isn't in my final frame. Beautiful, Demi. Wow. Just gonna get a little bit closer. Beautiful, Demi. That is insane. I can't get over it. Would I take the softbox to a wedding? When I started this video, I probably would have said, no, it's absolutely massive. Would I now, after actually using the softbox? Yes, 100%. I know I keep on saying it, but it's just like instant skin smoothing. I'm just gonna take a couple more pictures now of Demi in little different poses. You can let go if you want. I know you like using both your hands together. Wonderful. And just bringing the hand back down to the other one. Yeah, that's lovely, Demi. Just looking back up towards the light. Beautiful. Gonna take more, so just a little bit closer up. Beautiful. Just looking at me, Demi. Gorgeous. Honestly, like, it's madness. Demi, I need to show you these. Oh, nearly ran into you then. I don't know if you can see because my screen's really dark.
Oh, the lighting's so nice.
Isn't it?
And I actually really do love that.
So this video is really just to show you how you can put up the MagBox, take it down so easily. It's fast, it's simple, it's efficient to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to see the next video, which is going to be a creative portrait shoot using the MagBox Pro 42 Octa. On the screen now you can see my favourites from today's shoot, which is basically just some simple portraits using the MagBox Pro 42 Octa. Thank you so much to Demi for being so awesome, and to Neil for filming, and I will see you guys next time.